Hi, hello and welcome to my channel. Today I want to give you a review on some newer products that I bought. I have a bit of makeup and a bit of hair care, a bit of fragrance, something from every category. So let's start in no particular order with a big fail, again, from Olaplex. You know that I hate the dry shampoo, now I'm hating this. This is the Volumizing Blow Dry Mist. I love Olaplex. First of all, let me tell you that the shampoo and conditioner I repurchased and repurchased and repurchased. The newer products, I'm not getting it. The formula is okay. It adds a bit of volume and a bit of texture. It's okay. But I prefer a million times this product. This is the Bumble Thickening Spray. I know that this says thickening, but because this is a bit sticky, it will add a bit of volume. I prefer this one a lot more. And the thing that I absolutely hate, and I'm using the word hate because this smells disgusting. This smells like old eggs and it's nasty. I will use it up just because it is very expensive and I hate wasting products if I can use them, and I can use this one, but it's not enjoyable at all. Let's move on and talk about something that I actually enjoy. This is the Inkey Bioactive Ceramide Repairing and Plumping Moisturizer. This is nice. It is on the thicker hydrating side, but at the same time it is sinking in the skin very nicely and pretty fast. It's not a water cream or something like that, but at the same time it's a really good one. I really like it, and it's on the more pricier side of Inkey list, but usually ceramides are expensive in creams, or when they are putting ceramide in the title, it's, you know that it will be a bit more pricey, but I really like it. I do enjoy it. It is a good cream and doesn't smell like anything, just ingredients, and it is a really nice product and I enjoyed it. Let's talk about some makeup. I bought a skin glaze from Catrice, and as you can see, I am more than halfway done with it. It's just pretty easy to finish, first of all, so that is one thing about it, but I did use it a bunch and it is great. I like it before my sunscreen just because if I'm putting this one on top of sunscreen, it is kind of moving it around because it is pretty liquidy. So because of that, I prefer the Essence Hello Good Stuff, so I don't think I will repurchase this one because I prefer that one more, and that one is from the drugstore as well, and I like the smell and the packaging and the consistency more of that one than this one. Then let's talk about hair again, and I tested the Living Proof Advanced Clean Dry Shampoo, and this one again is high-end, but this one is nice. I think this is the best high-end dry shampoo that I tested. So I like my Batiste. It will always be in my collection. I will always repurchase Batiste because it is good and affordable. But when we are talking high-end, this is great because it is actually doing something. It adds a bit of volume. The sprayer, the aerosol, I don't know how to pronounce that, but the sprayer is nice, and this is a mini, but I enjoyed it. Will I repurchase it? I have no idea, maybe at some point, because it is a really good one, and I like Living Proof. It is a good brand. I am always pretty happy with the products. Then I have this one. By the way, this is finished, and this one as well. I already finished them, but I wanted to give you a review. This is the Dream Coat Supernatural Spray from Wow. This says here, magically transforms texture, amazing humidity proofing powers. No. Is this nice? Sure. But is this magical? No way, Jose. So what this thing does is just smoothing your hair. I will give it that. It is smoothing your hair. It's nice. Let me tell you, I do enjoy the product. Will I repurchase it? Do I really need it in my routine? No. It's nice. I'm happy that I tasted it. If you have hair like mine, that is pretty straight, and you have a bit of frizz, sure. If you have pretty curly hair and very frizzy curly hair, this will not be enough for you. It's not that strong for frizziness. Let's finish the hair part. And I bought this one. This is the Moroccanoil Luminous hairspray, and I have it in medium. I bought this one with a very particular idea in mind, and it works for that, but not enough, again, for me to repurchase it and have it, because what I was looking for, it is a hairspray that I could spray just once or twice after I'm blow drying my hair, just to smooth my baby hairs down, because right now I don't think you will be able to see because I washed it yesterday, but usually I have some hairs that are sticking up like here, and I did use this one just to smooth down those hairs. And yes, I know that is very extra and not needed in general, but I was curious. It is what it is, and it works for that. But again, if you have very unruly hair, this is not really enough. And I tested this one again to see if it works for curls. I sprayed a decent quantity, but my hair was not crunchy, so maybe I needed even more. But it was pretty humid and it did rain that day, and my curls were gone, so it didn't prevent that from happening. So it's not strong enough, in my opinion, to do something like that. But for my baby hairs, sure, it will work. But again, do I need a product like that in my routine? I don't think so. Usually I do enjoy testing products, but for a product to stay in my life and in my routine, and for me to repurchase it, it needs to do something a bit extra, because I have so many products. I've been testing a lot of products in general, so I know that some are worth it and some are just okay, and I could review them and I could give you an opinion, and maybe they will work in your routine way better than in my routine, and that's the reason that I'm usually testing them. I bought the Makeup by Mario palette, and I am so excited and so happy that I did, because this is a great formula. Today I have it on the eyes. I have like 2 or 3 shades. I have this one, this one, this one, and this one. I used these 2 to create my wing, and it looks great. This formula is just creamy, buttery, very easy to blend. Of course, neutrals are pretty easy to formulate. Did I say that this is the Makeup by Mario Master Mattes? The neutrals, the newer one? I have no idea if I mentioned it, but it is a great formula. Then I purchased the skin tint from Essence. I have the shade 20 and I'm wearing it today. It looks very natural. It is a pretty good one from the drugstore, very affordable. It is hydrating natural finish, and I agree. It looks pretty natural at the beginning. After like 5 hours, it looks a bit greasy, but not in the breaking up and ugly kind of look. It's just a bit oily and a bit shiny, so I usually just use a tissue and that will solve it. Then let's talk about some mists, because I bought 2 recently and they are incredible and great. They are both from Sol de Janeiro. I bought first of all the number 59. I really love this bottle. This color is so beautiful. I'm gonna put the notes right here. This one, in my opinion, is very gourmand and sweet, and a bit more for the night time. Of course, it is a spray. I could use it whenever, and for the summer months, I absolutely love a body mist. And then I bought the 68. I'm gonna put the notes for this one as well. And this one, it's so lovely, and I think it's perfect for spring because it's just a bit fruity and the flower notes are not that strong. I I love Sol de Janeiro. It's a great brand. It makes really good perfumes. I really enjoy them, and I can't wait to purchase the new Kayali perfume. They did release a how is it called? Vanilla candy or something. I'm gonna put a picture right here. I can't wait. It looks incredible, and I want to purchase it so badly. Then I purchased a brown mascara, and I've been using this one for a long period of time, so these products were long overdue because I've been testing them for a bit. This is the Lash Without Limits in brown from Essence. I am wearing it today. I love it. It's a great brown mascara. It is a nice shade. You can clearly see that it is brown, but at the same time it adds volume, adds definition. I love it. Next, let's talk about a toothpaste. I know that is unique. I don't think I ever talked about toothpaste, so this is new, but this is a $10 toothpaste or around that, so it is pretty expensive. This is the Hismile Coconut Whip toothpaste. Let me tell you, I don't know where in the world is the coconut. I have no idea. This smells lovely though, and tastes lovely. Don't eat it, but this, and I put a bit on my nose. This I would describe like a mint or something. It's a bit, I can smell some eucalypt in that, and yeah, I enjoyed it. It is nice. I will purchase, by the way, they did release the Chupa Chups collaboration, something like this. I will buy it. When it is available in Romania, I'm gonna buy it because it looks so nice, and the child in me is very excited about that. But yeah, so it is a good toothpaste if you don't like the taste of normal minty toothpaste. I don't think this will solve your problems. Then I bought two products from Kiko Milano because they are available in Romania right now, and I'm so excited about it. I bought a long-lasting eyeshadow stick in the shade 02. It is a light pinky shade, and let me swatch it. It's just nice. I really enjoy it. It is a great formula. So if you want something a bit more affordable, Kiko Milano is available here in Europe, and you can purchase from the website without any customs. I think it is available in the US somewhere as well, so it is a nice and a bit more affordable brand. When I was last time in Italy, I purchased a lip pencil. It was in a black packaging and it was pretty stiff and awful. This time around I purchased this one. This is the Comfort lip liner in the shade 4. This one is way nicer. I have it on the lips right now. It's creamier and nice. I recommend this one. It's not a fully matte lip pencil. I prefer the NYX Line Loud formula because that one is drying down a bit more. This stays a bit creamy, but it's not smeary or something like that. As you can see, it looks pretty nice, but yeah, this one is better. Lastly, I have the lip crayon from Haus Labs. It is the Le Monster, I think. Anyway, Blush Matte is the shade. I really like it. I have it on the lips today as well. It's just great. It is creamy at the beginning when applying it, and then it is drying down a bit on the matte side, and it's just lovely. I really like it. The packaging is unique and luxe, but at the same time very beautiful, and I really like it. It is really nice, and I can't wait to try more from Haus Labs, even though it is very expensive. It is a very high-end brand, but this one is lovely, and I can't wait to test more. So this was everything. I hope this video was helpful, and if you liked it and want to see more from me, please subscribe and give it a like, and I will see you next time.